Applications of trigonometry, 12th chapter, exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1. So in the test day we completed 5th problem. Now 6th question you have to read. Read the 6th question. Students, 303 page number. 303 page number, 6th question. 303 page number, 6th question. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of the building at a height of 6 meters to a target on the ground at an angle of depression 60 degrees. What is the distance between you and the object? See here. First, this is the ground. Ground. You are shooting an arrow from the top of a building at a height of 6 meters to a target. This is the target, say for example T. So we are shooting the target with an arrow, but where we are standing? We are not on the ground. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of the building. This is the building. Say AB is the building. We are at the top of the building. We are here. See, this is the first time out of 4 problems. In all the 4 problems, we were on the ground and we observed the tree, we observed the pole. There was a rope, like the different questions. So, but now first time, we are not on the ground. We are on the top of the building. Clearly given. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of the building. Where we are? We are on the top of the building. We are here. We are here. But again, man height is not mentioned in the question. So therefore, we have to take it as negligible. So we are here. From here, we are shooting an arrow. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of the building at a height of 6 meters. This building is 6 meters. Building height is 6 meters to a target on the ground. Target, where is the target? Target is on the ground. This is the target. So we are shooting like this. Straight we are reaching the target. From here we are shooting the target with the arrow like this. We are here. First, you see all the lines. What is AT? This is the ground, horizontal ground. AB is the building. What is AB? Building. This is the foot of the building, base. This is the top of the building. Where we are standing, where you are standing on the top of the building. You are here. From here, you are shooting the target. This is the target. This is you. You are hitting the target on the ground. Target is on the ground. Now, angle of depression is 60 degrees. I explained 2 definitions. Angle of elevation. If you look top, the angle formed is called angle of elevation. If you look downwards, the angle formed is called angle of depression. So angle of depression means, how to write the angle of depression? See here, depression means we have to draw the horizontal line. So this angle is called angle of depression. This angle, not this angle. Angle of depression, whenever angle of depression is given, draw the horizontal line. Definitely angle of depression will be given when we are on the top, object is on the ground. So we are on the top. So from here, draw the horizontal line. And this angle is called angle of depression. It is given as 60 degrees. That is given. This angle is given as 60 degrees. This is given as 60 degrees. The question is, see the question, what is asked? This data introduced in the figure, but what is asked? What is the question? What is the distance between you and the object? Where are you? You are here. You are here. Object is here. Target is here. Object is here. You are here. What is this distance? What is this distance that we have to find? This distance you have to find. Distance from you, that means the person, to the target. This distance you have to find. So this is the horizontal line and this angle is called angle of depression. I explained in the first class itself. This is angle of depression 60 degrees. It is given. The question is find x. That is a simple question. Find the distance between you and the object. What is the distance between you and the object? See here. First, let us write all the description, because directly if you start the problem, you may not get full marks. So let us write what is, where is the building, where is the building, where is the target, and what is 60 degrees. So everything we will introduce here. Okay, write down. Height of the building. Where is the building? AB is the building. Write down. Height of the building AB is equal to height of the building AB is equal to 6 meters. Height of the building AB is equal to 6 meters. Height of the building AB is equal to 6 meters. It is given. B is the observing point. Write down. B is observing point. We have not observing point. So from here we are hitting the target. So you are standing at B and T is the target. Write down. Let distance between the person and the target. The person and the target. Let the distance between the person and the target BT is equal to X. Let the distance between the person and the target BT is equal to X. So this is given. This is, we assume, let X. We have to find X value. Building is equal to 6. Distance between you. Instead of you, I wrote the person. Person and the target is equal to X. Now, see, this outside angle is given, this inside angles are not given. We can find by seeing this, we can find. See, if you draw two parallel lines and if this is a transversal, so this angle and this angle both are called alternate angles. These are alternate angles. If this is 60 degrees, so alternate angles are equal. If two lines are parallel, if this is a transversal, if this angle and this angle, both this angle and this angle are equal, alternate angles are equal. If this is 60, this is also 60. Or this is straight line, this is straight line. What will be the total angle? 90 degrees. Straight horizontal line, vertical line. What is the total angle? 90. 90. If this is 60 means this will be 30. This will be 30. So take this as 30. Then automatically if this is 30, 30 plus 90, 120, 120 remaining will be 60 because sum of three angles is 180 degrees. So anyway, you can find this angle, you can proceed. or directly you write this angle, because these are the alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal. If this is 60, this is also 60. Directly we can write down. Angle of depression, whatever question is given, that I am writing. I am writing some steps. Only some steps. I have not started the problem. Angle of depression of T. Angle of depression of the object T from B is 60 degrees given. Angle of depression of T, that means object. Angle of depression of object T from B is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Then if this is 60, this will be also 60, because they are called alternate angles. You studied in the geometry. You studied in the 8th class, 9th class. It is simple. This and this are equal. Alternate angles. So then angle ATB, this angle also 60 degrees. Then angle ATB is equal to 60 degrees. Complete problem I wrote here. Now, once again I will explain. AB is the building, height of the building. Height of the building AB is equal to 6 meters. It is given. Let the distance between the distance between the person and the target BT is equal to X. That we have to find X. Angle of depression of the object from B is given as 60 degrees. Angle of depression of object T from B is 60 degrees. If this is 60, this is also 60. The reason is alternate angles. Alternate angles. If this is 60, this is also 60. Alternate angles. The reason. Write down this total description. Now let us start the problem with only 2-3 steps. Write down. Draw the diagram and write this description. Write down. Height of the building AB is equal to 6 meters. Let the distance between the person and the target is BT is equal to X. Angle of depression of the object T from B is 60 degrees given. Then if this is 60, this will be 60 because they are alternate angles. Now solving the problem. Now problem solution starts. Now till now I gave introduction, just I explained everything, because essay question we have to write some more steps. See here. From adjacent figure in triangle, what is the triangle? ABT. Any symbols you can take. You can take C also here. Instead of T you take C. Because it is given that it is a target, I use T. So in triangle ABC, the problem deals with which sides. Suppose if this is the angle, what is the name of this side? Opposite side. If this is the angle, what is the name of this side? Opposite side. What is the name of this inclined side? Hypotenuse. This is opposite. This is hypotenuse. So which ratio you choose? Sine, cos or tan? This is opposite side. This is hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Which ratio? Sine theta. Sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Don't write. theta is 60 degrees. Opposite is 6. Hypotenuse is x. Sin theta definition formula. Sin theta is equal to what is the formula? Opposite by hypotenuse. For this angle, because we are taking 60 degrees, for this angle, what is the opposite side? Exactly opposite is 6. Hypotenuse, the biggest side in a right angle triangle is always called hypotenuse, x. What is sin 60 value? See the table. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Sin 60 value, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60. These three values you should know. Same for tan, same for cos. You have to remember these values. Now cross multiply. X into root 3 is equal to 2 into 6, 12. X into root 3 is equal to 2 into 6. So x is equal to 2 6 are 12. 12 by root 3. 2 6 are 12 by root 3. This is the answer. Or rationalizing, multiply the numerator and denominator with root 3. Generally, remember this concept wherever you go, even higher studies, wherever you go, when denominator is in the root form, we try to remove that root. We change it into another form. So that is called rationalizing. You studied in the 9th class first chapter. See how? Multiply and divide with root 3. Multiply and divide with root 3. Rationalize it. Root 3, if you multiply with root 3, root will go and it will become 3. So multiplying the numerator and denominator with root 3, so that 12 into root 3 is same. Root 3 into root 3 is root 9. Root 9 is 3. 3 fours are. 3 fours are. So final answer is 4 root 3 meters. See, actually 12 by root 3 is correct. But whenever we get this denominator root form, we rationalize it. Rationalizing factor of root 3 is root 3. So if you multiply root 3 with another root 3, root 3 into root 3 will become 3. So 12 root 3 by 3. 3 4 times. So 4 root 3 answer. This is the answer. So even yesterday we further simplified this. So in the textbook answer, if it is further simplified, you have to simplify. How to simplify? You have to substitute root 3 value. So see here, 12 root 3 means 4 root 3 means we can simplify like this. 4 into root 3 value 1.732, root 3 value. Root 3 answer 1.732. Then multiply, you will get answer exactly in decimals. So if answer is, actually you can leave here, that is also correct. You can multiply numerator and denominator with root 3 for further simplification. This is also correct. Further correct means even if you take root 3 is equal to 1.732, multiply and get the answer. Any answer you can write. It is not that you should write only root 3 value, you have to substitute. It is not that. So if in the textbook, if root 3 value is given, you can substitute. You have to substitute. If it is not given, you can leave it. Write down. Students, copy it. Copy the problem. 12 by root 3 is the answer. For further simplification, to remove, whenever denominator is having root, we remove the root. So whenever there is a root in the denominator, we have to remove it. So multiply the numerator and denominator with another root 3. That is called rationalizing. So if you multiply the numerator and denominator same number, no change in the value. Root 3 by root 3, 1 only. So root 3 into root 3. 3, 12 root 3 by 3. 3, 4 times. So 4 root 3 answer. So if you understood or not, you just tell me. If you have followed this, then go to the next problem. Otherwise, you ask me, I will explain once again. If you have understood, then read the 7th question. Read the 7th question, students. 7th question. Seventh question. This is somewhat lengthy question, difficult type to understand. So because even question also, we have 2 questions in the same information. See here, 7th question. All of you don't write, just don't draw the figure also. Look at the board, how I am drawing the diagram and what I am explaining and what I am reading, that you concentrate. Don't write. I will give time, and even if your time is not sufficient, again you can go through the video, you can copy the question. See here. An electrician wants to repair an electric connection on a pole of height 9 meters. See, ground. This is the ground. There is a pole. What is the height of the pole? 9 meters. Don't write. Height of the pole is 9 meters. Electric connection on a pole of height 9 meters. He needs to reach 1.8 meters below the top of the pole to repair the work. He needs to reach, electrician wants to reach, not here, he don't want to reach this point. You don't want to reach total 9 meters. 1.8 meters below, because I think light may be here, not on the top. We don't know what is the reason. So electrician is not going to reach the top. He is going to reach 1.8 meters below. That means this point. 1.8 meters below. Not 9 meters top. He is not going to reach top 9 meters. 1.8 meters below. He has to reach this point. How he is reaching this point? How he is reaching, electrician, how he is reaching this point? There are 2 methods, there are various methods. He can climb or he can use the ladder. But this electrician is using the ladder. Ladder means it will not be straight. Ladder means ladder will be always like this. Ladder. Ladder like this. Ladder. He is climbing the ladder and reaching here. Ladder. See, an electrician wants to repair the electric connection to a pole of height 9 meters. Height of the pole, total height of the pole is 9 meters. Next, he needs to reach 1.8 meters below the top of the pole to repair the work. He need not reach this point. He has to reach 1.8 meters below the top. So he has to reach only this point. 1.8 meters below means 9 minus 1.8. 9 minus 1.8 is 7.2 meters. What is this distance? 7.2. Because total 9. If 1.8 is here means this distance will be 7.2 only. Now this is the ladder. What is the ladder? Say D. This is the ladder. This is the pole. This is the pole. Don't write this. Just for explanation I am writing. In the exam don't write this. It is not necessary because anyway we are writing the description here. So we are introducing everything here. You need not write here. This is the ladder. Ladder is like this. This is the pole. This total is the pole. But we have to reach only this point. 1.8 meters below. 9 minus 1.8 will be 7.2. So this is 7.2. This is 1.8. Total 9. Now the question is, what is the this ladder is making 60 degrees with the ground. See the question. When climbs at an angle of 60 degrees with the ground, ladder is making 60 degrees with the ground. This is the ground, no? It is making 60 degrees with the ground. What will be the distance between the foot of the ladder and foot of the pole? And what is the length of the ladder? Two questions are asked. What is the length of the ladder? This distance we are asked. Length of the ladder. Length of the ladder. Distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole. This distance also asked. X we have to find, Y we have to find. Somewhat difficult question. So first total introduction. I am not starting the problem. Whatever is given I am writing in the form of introduction, because directly we should not start the problem. Whatever is given, first you introduce, then you solve, then you get the answer. Like that we write full steps. So what is given? Height of the pole AB is equal to 9 meters and he has to reach that point C. Right now. Height of the pole AB is equal to 9 meters. Height of the pole AB is equal to 9 meters. Height of the pole AB is equal to 9 meters. Let electrician need to reach the point C. But electrician is not reaching this point. He is reaching this point. Let electrician needs to reach the point C. Electrician needs to reach the point C. BC is equal to 1.8 given. All are given. BC is equal to 1.8. Total 9. This is 1.8 it is given. Then what will be this distance AC? Then AC distance is total 9 minus 1.8, 7.2. This is over. Right now. Let the length of the ladder DC is equal to X. Let the length of the ladder DC is equal to X. Let the length of the ladder DC is equal to X. This is the ladder. Let the length of the ladder DC is equal to x. Let the length of the ladder DC is equal to x. Let distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole. Let distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole. dA is equal to y. Let the distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole. dA is equal to y. We are assuming. Angle ADC. Angle ADC is 60 degrees. Write down. Angle ADC is equal to 60 degrees given. Total I wrote the introduction. Now I am starting the problem. Don't draw the line. Angle ADC is equal to 60 degrees. That is given. Now, see, don't write. Now see here. From adjacent figure, in triangle ACD triangle. What is the name of the triangle? ACD triangle. So you have to find x value and also y value both. So now I will find x. So what is this side called? Opposite side. This is opposite side. This is hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse I will use sine. See here. Don't write. Sine 60 is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse formula. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2 is equal to opposite is 7.2. Hypotenuse is x. Opposite 7.2, hypotenuse x. Sine 60 is equal to 7.2 by x. Sine 60 value root 3 by 2. Cross multiplication. X into root 3 is equal to 2 into 7.2. X is equal to 2 into 7.2, 14.4. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14 by root 3. This is the answer. But whenever there is a root in the denominator, we have to simplify. You do the simplification and get the multiply and divide with root 3. You simplify it. So otherwise I will simplify. First I will explain y also. Now cos theta is equal to, cos definition, adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos definition, adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos 61 by 2. See, cos definition is adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos 60, cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Theta is 60, adjacent is y, hypotenuse is x. Hypotenuse is x. X already we got here. X already we got. So x, after getting this value, we have to substitute. Instead of that, see, x we have to simplify and we have to use. So let us not use x. Let us use another ratio. So I am not taking this side. I will take these two sides only. So this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, which is called tan. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan theta 60 is tan 60 root 3. You can take cos also, but we don't know x value. This value we have to substitute again. Or use tan. Tan is opposite by adjacent. Tan theta is 60. What is tan 60 value? Just see root 3. Opposite is how much? 7.2. Adjacent is y. Cross multiply. Root 3 y is equal to 7.2. Y is equal to 7.2 by root 3. Answer. This is x value, this is y value. But generally, I told denominator should not be in the root form. So that is called rationalizing. Previous problem I explained. See here. See. 14.4 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Multiply and divide with root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 14.4 into root 3. So 3 4s are 12. 3 8s are. So answer is 4.8 root 3. Leave it. That's all. Next, same for 7.2. 7.2 by root 3. Multiply and divide with root 3. Root 3 into root 3. 3. 7.2 into root 3. So 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 2.4. Like this. This is called rationalizing. Otherwise, even if you leave here also, that is also correct. No problem. You can leave here. This is answer. But just simplification, multiply. Whenever there is a denominator root form, we rationalize it. You studied in the 9th class. Whenever you get root in the denominator, we try to remove it, multiply and divide with another root 3, so that root 3 and root 3 becomes 3. 3 48 times, so 4.8 into root 3. That is the answer. Same, multiply and divide with root 3. Root 3 into root 3. 3 24s are 72. So 2.4 into root 3. That's all. So all the 2 questions are asked. 2 we got. I used sine. Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse is equal to sine 60. Opposite is 7.2. Hypotenuse is x. Sine 60. Root 3 by 2. X into root 3. 2 into 7.2. 2 into 7.2. 14.4 by root 3. This you can leave or you can write like this. Next. Any other ratio you can use. You can use cos. Any ratio you can use. I am using tan theta. Tan 60 is equal to opposite by adjacent. So tan 60 is root 3. Opposite is 7.2. Adjacent is y. So y into root 3, y root 3. Root 3 that side denominator. 7.2 by root 3, that is the answer. We can leave it. Or if you rationalize it, it will become like this. So copy this problem and practice it. Students, understood or not? Even after completing the exercise also, I will give time. Whenever you did not understood any problem, you just mark it. If you are not able to ask now, you tick it, mark the tick mark, and at the end of the chapter, I will give 1 or 2 days time to clarify your doubts.